All basic human rights are the same for everyone, regardless of sex, race, age, nationality, or social class. They are things which everyone is morally or legally entitled to do or have. They recognize the value and dignity of all people everywhere and at all times, but they weren't invented recently. Their cruelties and injustices didn't take place only in the times of the earliest civilizations. So it was decided that the protection of human rights should be an international concern. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, was adopted by the United Nations on December 10, 1948. Since then, nearly every country has signed one or more agreements to protect the human rights. Unfortunately, human rights are still violated in some countries. Everyone should know that they have the right to be treated equally by the law, have a private life, live in freedom and safety. Nobody has the right to torture you, to punish and put in prison without a real reason, to treat you as a slave, and to take away your rights.